So this is the welcome page which will greet you once you've logged in. Now we want your stay with us to be as focused and productive as possible. So our app and our platform has been designed to give you that exact experience. So to give you a very quick overview, if you look over here at the drop down menu, here's your account. This is where you can upload your refund details, and you can look at all the logistics ahead of the event. The meeting section is where you can send meeting requests and action the meeting requests which has been sent to you. Here's your agenda where you can populate it with all the content sessions of interest. And this is the networking area where you can chat, and you'll have visibility of all the attendees ahead of the event, and you can chat ahead of time. And this is your scan, this is your QR code, this is what you will be using throughout the event to scan all the people that you talk to. So this is very important to have on hand once you're on site.